critically ill members of the Calabarzon Police and their dependents nationwide are getting a help hand from the PNP officers' latest club foundation. Philippine Information Agency Calabarzon's Maine Odong has more.
Distributed financial assistance and gift packs to hundreds of critically ill police officers and their dependents nationwide through the Love and Blessings Love Virus Initiative. Transform It Away Foundation in July 2024, OLC Foundation goes down to regions to extend help and assistance to policemen and their dependents in need.
You know, the policemen, they always help others. Pero parang walang nakakaisip to help them. And you know, especially in times of sicknesses, in times of typhoons, calamities, laging silang tumutulong, laging silang nandun. Pero yung pamilya nila affected din. So, walang tumutulong, di ba? So that's why we thought of, you know, why don't we just pour our, you know, put our resources to them, di ba? Help them.
Recently, the organization has visited its 12th police regional office nationwide where 27 police and dependents in Calabarzon received aid.
Gusto kami nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa tulong pinansyal na inyong pinagkaloob sa aming may mga karamdaman. Ito po ay malaking tulong sa aming pagpapagamot. Ang inyong pong tulong ay tulong upang maibsan ang lungkot at sakit na aming nararamdaman.
Marbiel then presided the induction of the new set of regional and provincial officers of the foundation, whom she expects will continue the project in years to come.
Police are deemed the protectors of peace and order, but for the PNP OLC, it is vital that they have somebody they can rely and depend on when faced with personal hardships. From PIA Calabarzon, Maine Odong, Balitang Pambansa.